You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this former president of Chile. Yes, it's not Chile. Different ways of pronouncing it. Locally in Chile, in Spanish, Salvador, Salvador, Allende, Allende. In Spanish from Spain, it'd be said Salvador Allende. So you have a South American pronunciation, Allende, or Spanish, Allende. In English, Salvador, or Salvador. The V normally pronounced like a B, Salvador Allende. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.